Hi, everybody. Welcome to part 3 in my series of making a simple Google slide classroom. Today, we're going to talk about two things. We're going to talk about changing the positions of some of your furniture that you've added to the background, and we're going to talk about how to directly embed a slide into your classroom without commercials or anything like that, so they can play it right on that screen. So first, we're going to start with a problem that happens a lot. So when you have brought in a piece of furniture and it's not the right direction, I actually want this couch over here, but it's facing the wrong way. So the way we're going to fix that is to go into Format Options. Okay, it's up here. And you're going to click Size and Rotation. Okay, is the way to do it. And Flip. And then that will turn your couch the other way. Now your couch is facing the right direction. And you can change it upside down and the other way. Obviously, you don't want your table upside down. You can move it, turn things. There's lots of cool things that you can do in here. We'll talk more about those in a future lesson. But that's the simple. Flip is the one that I probably use the most often. All right, so the next thing is embedding that video. So we go to YouTube. We find a video. Now, again, this video that we found has a commercial. We don't want the commercials on because we don't know what they will be, and we don't want this sidebar on. So we go down to share, click it, hit embed. Again, we're going to highlight only the part that starts with the HTTPS in between the two quotation marks. That's the only piece you want. You're going to Command C for copy, and then you're going to go back. Now, this is where you would have pasted to something, but you don't have anything there to paste to. So you're wanting to put the video directly on this slide. So you're going to go to Insert and down to Video. Click on it. Then you're going to paste in, which is Command V, Velcro, the link, and then it's going to pop up here. So you're going to click on it. Now it's got the blue around. Select is an option, and it's going to pull it in. That will make it the right size. Now, when you go to play it, the kids go to play it, it's going to play right there on the screen. Okay. Now it's pretty small in this situation. So the way to make it bigger is this bottom right-hand corner box. That will take it full screen for you. Even if you put them in smaller than this, you won't see that little box in the bottom right-hand corner. But if you click the very bottom right-hand corner, it's going to bring you to full screen. So there you are in full screen without any ads except for the elephant and piggy ones. And there'll be no commercials on this at all. Okay, so we're going to escape back out of here. And there we are back to our screen with now our embedded link and our furniture flipped the right direction. I hope this was helpful. I will be back with more tutorials in the coming days. Remember, again, if you want to know when I've added something new, subscribe so that you'll get notifications. And if you like what you're seeing and have other educator friends who might be interested, please share this page to them so that they can learn something as well. Thank you so much and have a great day.